Once upon a time, an old man was very lonely because his wife had died. He missed her very much, especially their mealtime talk and laughter. One day he decided to buy a parrot. He thought a parrot would be the best pet to have because it would actually talk to him. The next morning, the old man visited the pet shop. Shopkeeper showed the several parrots. One called for a coach, and other asked for a thing, and one just made noises. Only one parrot sat quietly. The old man wondered why it was silent. The parrot replied, I think more. The old man thought happily, ah, what a wise bird. Then he bowed